Just got here. Install coming soon. Got shocks, new deceleration gear and pinion, and new differential gears. Video coming soon. All right, about to do an install. I already took the original motor out of the WL144001 or whatever. I'm using a Red Cat 3300 kV motor with a brushless ESC that I got offline. So hopefully it's running good with no problems. Hopefully that bend didn't fuck up my wires. But I'm going to get that diff put in, new diff put in, new shocks, oil filled, nice and springy. Hopefully not too springy. But metal gears to put in, diff rebuild, you know. So let's get started. These screws out.
I just said to play, I pray that y'all protect my life. Plugged in with the grip and I get Bogo on the white. Bam like baby Rumble, I'm Mike Myers with the knife. If you ain't bout your issue, then what the fuck you niggas lying for? I spin the bin on Ken and anybody that you might know. That y'all stick with the flash up front, I call that bitch the life pole. Time for work, yeah, I knock off your way just like some life pole. Yo, bitch on me heavy, but I just hit her with a life pole. Told I wasn't gon' fuck a friend again, but I might though. Told I wasn't gon'.
This camera died on me, but this is the finished product. I ain't have time to set the camera back up or whatever, but it's finished product. Get your springs on there. Get some oil for them tomorrow. They just have inner springs. Same for the back. Get some oil for tomorrow so it's not as bouncy. But I'm loving it already, man. Looks sexy with the gold. Looks more premium. Can't wait till the other metal parts come in. That metal second floor. Got my racer's edge capacitor in there, glitch buster, whatever you want to call it. Dumbo RC, gyro, big Venom battery. Nice tires. I moved them myself, that's why they look crazy as hell, but they work. Beastly. Can't wait to see it in action. It look grease. Got some video up tomorrow.